Hello, my name is Cecilia Glennie, and this is my extra credit points for Dr. Lucas's class. I'm going to be juggling today, so I'm going to start with some scarves. I have. Let's see. Can do this. I got it. Okay. Now I'm going to juggle with a bundle of socks and see if I can do it. Almost. Okay. So why did I do that? And how does it affect brain gym? Those are a good activity to help brain gym, the juggling. I did that because for brain gym, it helps energize, exercise, and postures for deepening attributes. So it's exercise, energy, exercise, and postures for deepening attributes for children. How does that do? Well, it helps children because they learn, they're energized and they have more energy, and juggling also helps them because it requires physical activity and events. So like juggling is an event to do, like a fun activity for children to do with scarves or with socks or balls, like tennis balls, little small round squishing balls. Brain gym also helps energy, exercise, and postures for deeper attributes. Juggling helps those because it also helps children mentally and physically to think while they're doing it, because they have to think about like, oh, what the next step is. So like when you juggle, you have to think about catching this. Excuse me. And physically, because they have to physically catch, as I was saying. Brain gym, for juggling, brain gym also helps lengthening attributes because children are using the body movement and muscle movement to help them. They're helping them trying to catch and throw. But what I think the most important thing about juggling is that for brain gym is that it helps midline movements because children are using fine motor skills and gross motor skills while they're juggling. Children also learn to move their body movements with midline movements because they have to use their hands to catch and try to move so if the ball is coming this way, they have to try to catch it this way. So when you're juggling like this, you have to use your fine and gross motor skills to catch. Or if you're even with scarves, like you're still using them. I was better in the other one. Brain gym also helps children because they use midline movement, lengthening activities, and energy exercises and deepen attributes for children. Juggling helps those three. But the most important one is midline movements. Like I mentioned, it helps thigh muscles and gross muscles. But what I believe is that energy exercises and deepening attributes helps more with juggling, because when children are juggling, they use mostly energy and physical movement, which is what the third one was, which is energy, exercise, and deepening attributes. Children are actually doing physical movement, physical activities, mentally and physical events, because they are juggling. They are moving their body while they're doing this. It has a little bit of midline movements, but mostly just the energy, exercise, and posture of deeper attributes. Brain gym is very important for young children. Brain gym makes sure that children are exercising and doing physical movement. Children need physical movement in the classrooms, and brain gym affects that. And brain gym also affects when children are doing exercises, and juggling is one of the examples that brain gym can help children in classrooms. That's why I believe when children are doing juggling, brain gym is very important, especially the energy exercises and deepening attributes is the most effective brain gym for juggling with young children. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy my little juggling activity. I'll do it again to demonstrate what I meant about juggling, just in case. Look, this helps us with energy and movement, because children are movement while they're doing a physical activity. I hope you guys enjoy my little juggling. I'm not very good at it, but I tried my best. And that was my extra credit points for Dr. Lucas's